Hey guys, Johnny O here with an update on the Grand National project. I'm at the shop today just checking things out. The last time I made a video, the hole underneath of the car was missing because he had cut that out. And as you can see here, he's welded in a new underneath of the car, bottom of the car. And that piece came from a salvage yard in Arizona. They cut that out of another car. So you can see here, he had to fit the back pieces, do some welding in the front. I'll do a quick walk around here to see what he's done here. In addition to putting the bottom of the car in, we also have new A-pillars. So they've been welded in. And when he got into this, he discovered that there was a lot more rust up on top, and we got a new header piece, and he put that in also. And in order to do that, the header piece has a top piece and a bottom piece, and only the top piece was available, so we ordered that, and then he had to split them and put them all back in together. So we'll take a quick peek inside here. And he's got these materials are for the car. When he gets to the next stage of cleaning it up and getting some type of painting and undercoating on what we've got in front of us here. So that's it for right now. Thanks for watching.